Guys, this is a shot upstream. I just set up my water hammer today. Probably got 6 or 7 feet of fall from where the dam is and the pipes coming out of the dam down to the hammer. That's it. I just shut it down. I wanted to give you guys a shot at getting it going. And it's going to take a little bit, so let me start the pump. Almost. There we go. Okay, you got to let it build up a little bit of pressure before you open the output valve on it, or it'll just shut down again. You can kind of tell it's speeding up a little bit. That means the pressure inside the system is getting to the point where it should be able to pump. Let me crack this valve a little bit. Okay, I think it's going to go. Yep, there we go. She's pumping. I'm getting about, I don't know, somewhere between 1/2 and 3/4 of a gallon per minute. So I did a little bit of quick math. We're looking at somewhere between 800 and maybe 1,000 gallons a day. My hose coming off this thing is an old hose. It's full of kinks and stuff I can't get out. But let me take you up on top of the hill here and I'll show you the water coming out of the hose. Okay, there it is. You don't get a lot, but in a 24-hour period, it adds up to a lot of water. Now, I did have it. I've got an IBC here that I'm filling. I had it up on the tailgate, on top of the tailgate of that truck, which I'm guessing somewhere 15, 18 feet from where the pump's sitting. And it pumped the same amount of water as it is right now. And if you kind of see, you can see the hose is still kind of laying up the hill there some, so it's got to pump it up the hill and then come back down. All right, this is a wide-angle shot of the pump sitting in the creek bed. I put a longer tube on it the other day. I set it up on Saturday, but I had some leaks. So I had a short, maybe 2.5 feet long reservoir tube on it. And I put the long one on, but I'm not sure that's the right answer. I mean, it's working, but I'm not sure that that's the way it should be done. Okay, I just wanted to let you know how I did this. I've got a 2-inch line coming down. I've got roughly 40 feet of 2-inch line coming down the creek bed. And then as it gets to the pump, it necks down to inch. So I'm not sure, maybe my supply line is an issue too. Like I say, I'm not sure what's going on, but I'm going to tinker with it. Now, when I get her fixed and get it corrected, I'll let you know. Okay, I've got the line back in the ICB again. From the way I figure it, I ought to be able to fill 2 of these a day, which is a pile of water, considering it's not costing me a dime, other than the few parts that it took to build this thing. Nothing else, I'm going to use it to water the garden this summer. Okay, just a quick explanation of how this thing works. So where the water's coming out is just a simple flapper valve, same with the one there right below the expansion tank. The valve for the wastewater is flapping shut, coming up and closing. When that happens, the other valve, which is turned the other way, opens, and the flow of the water coming down the pipe and the weight of that water, when that waste valve closes, forces the water, the flow, to go up through that other check valve into the expansion tank and on the output side. I just thought maybe you might like to know kind of how it works. There's quite a bit of information on the web. If you're interested in building one of these, it's not hard. You probably have maybe $20, $25 in plumbing material to put it all together.